What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video taking a look at Bitcoin. What's the worst case scenario for Bitcoin? And the point of recording of this video, guys, one Bitcoin is currently going for $29,263. Is Bitcoin in the bear market? Guys, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, taking a look at Bitcoin market cap chart, also look at Bitcoin dominance and the total crypto market cap. Guys, we're looking at what Bitcoin has done in the past, and if we're in the bear market for Bitcoin, how low can we go? What's the worst case scenario for Bitcoin? How cheap can Bitcoin get? Before we actually see a bottom, will Bitcoin bottom out very soon? Is Bitcoin already in its bottom? And what has Bitcoin done in the past anytime it has gotten to this stage? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, Bitcoin has been dumping, and Bitcoin got to an all-time high of 69,000, and since then Bitcoin has actually been dumping. Bitcoin has dumped around 64%. Right now, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is going for 29,200, and you can see that the market is red. If Bitcoin is red, the whole market is going down with it, and right now, the whole market is red because Bitcoin is actually dumping. Guys, in the last 1 year, Bitcoin is down 20%. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin is down 25%. But you can see the monthly chart that a lot of these altcoins are down, and they are waiting on Bitcoin. Now, what's the worst case scenario for Bitcoin, guys? Bitcoin always used to have bull markets and bear markets, and during the bear markets, Bitcoin actually dumps very hard. So let's look at how hard Bitcoin dumped in the last bear market. Now, in 2013, the second bull run Bitcoin had, after Bitcoin topped, it had 2 tops in 2013/2014, which is very funny. We had a top in April 2013, and then we had another top in November 2013, guys. This is very important, guys, because we see that same phenomenon happened in 2021. So in 2013, we had a run up to a new all-time high, then we lost over 84%, and then we went back, a set new all-time high. Then how many percent did we lose in the bear market again? We lost another 86%. So we lost 84% here, we lost 86% here. Then we went on that monster bull run to 20k. When we came for the bear market, how many percent did we lose again, guys? We lost another 84%. So if we're seeing 3 different scenarios where Bitcoin has lost 84% after the bull run coming to a bear market. Right now, how many percent is Bitcoin down? Bitcoin is down 64%. So guys, the normal concept we just use right now is saying Bitcoin is going to go down 84%. What would the price of Bitcoin be if Bitcoin will go down 84%, just the way it has been doing all the previous other bear markets? It means Bitcoin can come as low as $10,000. Is that possible, guys? For Bitcoin to lose 84% from the top of the market cycle, that's at 64,000, it's going to come to around 10,000 region, and for that to happen from where Bitcoin is right now, Bitcoin will have to lose at least over 64% of its value. Is that possible, guys? It's very, very possible in crypto. Nothing is impossible. And right now it looks as if Bitcoin is coming back to it. This is 200-week moving average, and you can see that in the chart, anytime Bitcoin comes back to this 200-week moving average, that's a very, very good time to buy. This was 2015. This was the bottom of the market. That was a good time to buy. And this was 2018 when the market bottomed here, December 2018. That was a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin. This was COVID sell-off. This was a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin. So right now, are we actually coming back to touch that 200-week moving average? And if we touch that, will that be a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin? But guys, if Bitcoin is coming back to touch the 200-week moving average, which is currently at the point of recording this video, the 200-week moving average is around 21,900. So for Bitcoin to get there slowly, to get its way slowly, the price would have reduced. I can see that we can actually come and break through that line now. So when we break through that line, many of the whales will start accumulating for the next cycle. Right now, I believe Bitcoin is in the markdown phase. We had our accumulation phase right here. We had our Bitcoin accumulation phase right here. Smart players were accumulating. Then we had our first initial push up. Then we came back, COVID sell-off. We did small accumulation again. Then we have markup. This was after the markup here, the big players started distributing their coins in all this region. And now I feel as if they are finished distribution, they are going down for the markdown phase. After the markdown phase, then we'll have another accumulation, and then the cycle will continue. Let's not forget, guys, Bitcoin actually, we always believe, many people in the Bitcoin community believe that Bitcoin bull runs happen in 4 years, and actually believe that, guys. I showed you something in the beginning of this video that in 2013 we had 2 peaks. We had one peak in April and we had another peak in November. Guys, just guess what happened in 2021. We had one peak in April, we had one peak in November, and many analysts have been saying that what happened in 2013, that's the run we had. The run we had in 2013, 2014 is the same run we had in 2021, where we'll just have 1 year bear market. And you can see that from that 2013, where the market topped, it took us at least more than a year before we got the bottom of the market, and Bitcoin actually went down 87%. So if Bitcoin would take up to a year, that's for us assuming Bitcoin will take the same time frame to actually find this bottom. We're assuming that Bitcoin topped in November. We can see that Bitcoin topped in November last year. Calculating 365 days into the future, you see that Bitcoin is supposed to bottom around November, December 2022. Will it come to pass? Are we going to bottom quicker than that, guys? Only time will tell. Now, looking at the Bitcoin market cap chart, guys, currently sitting at support, currently sitting at $555 billion. The previous bull run in 2018, Bitcoin's market cap got to as high as $331 billion. This was when Bitcoin was 20K. Guess what happened during the bear market? Bitcoin lost a lot of those valuations because the market was overhyped. And we have seen it in crypto so many times. We'll go to the bear market, the whole asset class will actually lose over 80% of its value, and Bitcoin was no different. Bitcoin went from as high as $331 billion to as low as $54.4 billion in the bear market. And right now, from the bottom of the market, that was in 2018. Guess what, guys? Bitcoin went as high as from $54 billion to as high as $1.26 trillion. And that's a 2,200% increase in just less than 1,100 days. So right now, I feel like we're in the markdown period for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is going to lose at least 80% of its value from $1.26 trillion, if it's losing 80% of its value, we'll see Bitcoin going to a market cap as low as $255 billion, and that's around that region where one Bitcoin will be going for 10,000 to 13,000 region. Guys, can Bitcoin go as low as that? Only time will tell, but it is very, very possible. We have seen Bitcoin done it in the past, and you can see that Bitcoin plays a trick on people. At this point in time, right here in October, November 2018, people thought the dump was over. Bitcoin was already down how many percent then? Bitcoin was already down over 68%. Many people thought it cannot just dump any further. Guess what, guys? We're actually down like 64% from the all-time high of Bitcoin. And that's the sentiment people are having right now. People are feeling it can't dump any lower. A lot of people are saying the bottom is in. And guys, if there's anything you know in crypto, is that the fact that a lot of people are saying the bottom is in is probably why the bottom is not in. Because when the bottom is in, nobody will say it. You will feel it. Right now, there's extreme fear in the market, and we're being in a very, very downward market since November 2021. A lot of people did not realize that we're in the bear market early enough, and this rally we still had in March 2022. Many people are still bullish, I included. We're still bullish, hoping to see all season, hoping to see Bitcoin retrace. But you can see that when Bitcoin started on this bear market journey right here in 2013, 2014, when Bitcoin started the bear market journey, there was no any major retracement. It was just a continuous, we're going down, finding the bottom kind of. And when Bitcoin went back into new all-time highs before all those altcoins started answering. So are the altcoins doing the same thing right now? Only time will tell. Guys, even if we go on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, the daily time frame is telling us a very, very important information. You can see that Bitcoin got rejected off the 200-day moving average, and anytime Bitcoin has been rejected off this average on the daily time frame, guys, bear market vibes. So what's the worst case scenario for Bitcoin, guys? It looks like we're going to Goblin Town. Probably we'll test new all-time highs. Probably Bitcoin will test its previous all-time highs at 20K. If that doesn't hold, we're probably going below 20K. And for the fact that a lot of people are looking for 20K, they're looking for us to actually go back to 20K. I believe we might go down lower than 20K. That will probably be max pain. But you can see that anytime Bitcoin has a bull run and it goes below the 200-day moving average and it can't reclaim it. If it goes below the 200 moving average and can't reclaim it, now we're going down to the Goblin Town. So now that we've gone below the 200 moving average and we can't reclaim it, how further low can we go? You see, when it happened this time here, we got rejected off it. We still went as low as how many percent after that? We still went as low as another 62% after that. If we got rejected off the 200-day moving average here, and we go down another 62%. It's carrying Bitcoin to another 19,000 region. Is it possible? Guys, these are different scenarios, and all the scenarios are possible. All these things I'm saying doesn't mean that it will actually come true. Nobody in the market know exactly what the market will do. Many of us are just making our best educated guess of where the market is going in the future. But guys, the Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing, and anytime Bitcoin dominance is increasing when the market is dumping, and that's a very bad sign for the altcoin market, but that's a very good sign for Bitcoin, because it means Bitcoin is not tanking as the rest of the market. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 44%. How high can Bitcoin dominance get to? Guys, the previous bull run before we had all season, Bitcoin dominance got as high as 73.53% of the total crypto market. So how high can Bitcoin dominance increase to? I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to get to as high as 57%. So the total crypto market cap is actually crashing, or will crash below its previous all-time high to maybe around 500 billion, or its previous all-time high at 576 billion. Right now we're at 1.26 trillion dollars. If the total crypto market cap is going to crash to that region, to that a very, very important region, which is the previous all-time high, guys, I would expect Bitcoin dominance to actually increase to around this 50-something% region, because Bitcoin is not going to dump as hard as the rest of the asset class. Bitcoin normally holds its own well when the market is dumping. Ethereum and other altcoins actually feel the pain. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think the Bitcoin bottom is in? The worst case scenario for Bitcoin, do you think we can go below 20k, or do you think we will not go below 20k and Bitcoin will not touch its previous all-time high, that's around 19,000? I actually think Bitcoin is going sub 20k, maybe 13,000. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.